Situated in the northern Dominican Republic and only 1,200 kilometers from Miami, Hillsdale provides close-to-shore garment manufacturing solutions. Operating in the free zone of Mocha, which is just outside the city of Santiago, Hillsdale is only 10 kilometers from the Santiago International Airport and within 100 kilometers of the closest seaport. Our organization is structured in departments, each headed by key managers. The factory is headed by the general manager who oversees all operations. The partners, who are CEO and COO, have direct links to each department and are involved in the day-to-day management. The Hillsdale Sample Department has full development capabilities, including pattern making, sample sewing, and size grading. We can develop and produce a prototype from just a simple sketch or picture. The foundation for all garment production is the body pattern. Each pattern must be fine-tuned to ensure that measurements of the finished product after sewing will be within specification. Hillsdale uses CAD software for all pattern making. When a pattern is complete, a sample is sewn. Hillsdale's sample room contains the same machines that are used in bulk production. We produce samples exactly as they will be made on the production floor. Once a sample is sewn, a technician checks and documents all points of measurement. If a sample is off specification, the pattern will be adjusted and a sample resewn. Before a style can go into bulk production, a pre-production sample must be approved by the customer. Each pre-production sample is made with the same materials that will be used in bulk manufacturing. The sample is packaged and labeled exactly as production will be shipped. The sample department also works on new product innovation and technology. A recent example of this is our addition of ultrasonic sewing equipment. This machine will cut, trim, and sew in one continuous pass. The development team is currently working on garment innovations utilizing this equipment. When an order is received, the information is analyzed by the purchasing and planning department. A summary of all material requirements is compiled. For optimal turn time, Hillsdale maintains a stock of key materials. As received, materials are inspected for quality. 10% of each material shipment is automatically audited. If there is an issue, we then go forward with a 100% inspection of the vendor shipment. When a style is ready to be cut, a marker arranging the pattern pieces is created. An efficient marker will lay out the body pieces to optimize the number of units using the least amount of fabric. We use the latest marker making software for this process. Once a marker is complete, it is printed and issued to the cutting room. Spandex-based fabrics need to be in a relaxed state when cut. If fabric is cut when goods are not relaxed, the cut pieces may shrink, causing measurements to be off in the finished product. At Hillsdale, we use tensionless spreading equipment that lays the fabric in a controlled and relaxed state. This equipment is also more time efficient compared to manual spreading. The spread fabric is moved onto the cutting belt. For cutting, we use an Investronica automated cutter. Compared to hand cutting, an automated machine greatly improves accuracy, quality, and time efficiency. The cutting marker is uploaded into the cutter's computer. The computer checks orientation of the spread, then begins to cut. Cut bundles are organized and staged for sewing. Hillsdale produces using a modular system where sewing operators work as a team within a production line. Lines are formed specifically based on the operations required for the garment being produced. Units flow continuously from operation to operation. For each garment style, the standard manufacturing procedure is documented. Each machine in operation is listed in a step-by-step order. The time estimates for each operation is recorded for output projections. When a reorder is received for any given style, this document is referenced for a quick and accurate understanding of the required module line setup and projected unit output. A natural benefit of modular production is the early detection of quality issues. The first units will be completed not long after a style is introduced to the production line. If a quality problem exists, it will be caught in the inspection of these first few units, and a corrective action will be implemented for all the following units. For the style being produced, a tech pack, sew by sample, and other key information is mounted and readily available for reference. As goods are being manufactured in the production lines, measurements are checked against specification. Each line has a dedicated quality control inspector who has all the current specifications uploaded on a tablet for reference. After sewing, any loose threads are removed. Another inspection is completed to check measurements and construction. Garments go through an additional 2 inspections before approval to ship. The next is an audit. Units are inspected in bundles of 20. If a bundle contains just one defective piece, it is sent back to the sewing line. Audited units are then packed in poly bags and labeled. A final audit is performed prior to releasing an order for shipment. The inspectors recount the units in each box to verify the packing slips. Packed units are reviewed to confirm the labeling accuracy. A portion of each order is fully unpacked and examined for sewing quality. Measurements are also confirmed against target specifications. The shipping area is sealed off from the rest of the factory. Only authorized personnel are allowed in this area. After packing, finished goods are staged in the shipping department. Pallets are shrink-wrapped. Laws regulating the free zone require a Dominican Republic customs official to be present and audit all incoming and outgoing shipments. The customs official audits and confirms the box and pallet count. Once the container is closed, the officer applies an official Dominican customs seal, then signs all shipping documents. Our goal at Hillsdale is to provide full sourcing solutions, top quality, with clear and reliable communication. Our proximity to the USA allows for quick turn production. We continuously review our procedures and seek to improve efficiency. Our dedication to service cannot be matched.